Tesla just replaced Ferrari on Morgan Stanley's top US carmaker stock pick and sent Tesla stock rocketing. It was boosted after an analyst at Morgan Stanley raised the stock to an overweight rating. The analyst, Adam Jonas, explained that Tesla's supercomputer Dojo could help raise the company's valuation to $1.39 trillion. That's about 76% higher than Tesla's current valuation at $789 billion. Tesla Dojo is a supercomputer that Tesla designed and built to train AI systems. And Tesla's investing over $1 billion into it over the next year so that it can analyze massive amounts of data in training driving systems. Jonas says that it could give Tesla a huge advantage in a market potentially worth $10 trillion and that its software and services could become an even bigger value driver to Tesla than its electric vehicles or power. For example, he compared it to how 74% of Amazon's total operating profit comes from AWS. Elon Musk chimed in on X saying that all of Tesla's long-term value will come from AI and robots, and Tesla stock surged 10% in one day. It was the top stock by price gains on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, and is up 153% this year to date in 2023. Do you think it will continue to rally?